the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire and we are at the launch of Nokia 7 Plus here. This is the new Nokia 7 Plus. This is the new Nokia 7 Plus here. So in this video we'll see a quick look of the Nokia 7 Plus. So this has a 6-inch screen with a full HD display and Gorilla Glass 3 protection. The metallic back, quite sturdy, and this frame gives it a very premium look. On the top we have a 16 megapixel front camera, earpiece, shortcut keys on the screen. On the bottom bar we have the speaker grill, a C-type charging port and fast charging, and there's a mic. On the back we have a 13 megapixel plus 12 megapixel dual camera setup, flash, LED flash here, and the fingerprint sensor, Nokia tagging, Android One tagging as well. On this side we have the SIM slot. So the screen looks quite grand and really nice colors, decent viewing angles. We go to the settings. Battery is 3800 mAh. Go to the system, about phone, Nokia 7 Plus model, Android 8.0 Oreo, and it comes with a 4 GB plus 64 GB variant. From the storage of 64 GB, 14.34 GB is already used. It runs on Snapdragon 660 processor. Go to the camera. So the back camera is a 13 megapixel plus 12 megapixel setup. So one is a telephoto lens, another one is a wide angle lens. And these are the modes: photo, panorama, beautify, pro, live bokeh, and some additional settings here. Here we have the Boothie mode, timer, HDR and flash. In Boothie you can see there's a single one. If you turn on the Boothie here, and you also get a PIP option. Let's check out the Pro. In Pro you can make many settings like ISO, white balance and all. Let's turn on the front camera. So Nokia has given a very nice front camera in this one, a 16 megapixel, capturing a lot of detailing, although I am against the light, you can see that. Let's click a selfie here. So let's run through some of the pictures I just clicked. Wow, a very nice selfie. So this is in the PIP mode, Boothie. Okay. So this is the first look of Nokia 7 Plus. It will be available for 25,999. Pre-booking starts from 20th April and the sale starts from 30th April. It will also be available in Nokia stores and select mobile stores. This was it for Nokia 7 Plus. We'll be back with the full review. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.